Patagonia. This village is now unrecognizable after flames gutted many of its homes. Wildfires strike the region every summer, but locals say they've never seen anything like this.
Fires are getting bigger because the droughts are different, right? These years have been very dry. It's not snowing in the mountains in winter. We're short on water in the rivers.
Now in the comfort of his friends, this man says he came very close to death.
The fire in this area was complete hell. I was taking a nap, and if my neighbour hadn't woken me up, I wouldn't be here to tell the tale.
From above, water bombers continue their relentless ballet against the flames. In just over a week, more than 15,000 hectares of vegetation have been reduced to ashes. Environmental and indigenous groups warn the fires are fueled by the worst drought in decades, and climate change is only making them more fierce. But some also blame Argentina's president, pointing to drastic budget cuts that have weakened the National Fire Management Service. Authorities have yet to determine the cause of the wildfires. One of the largest blazes, however, may have been set deliberately. A reward of up to €30,000 is being offered for information.
Yes. My feeling is that we are doing a lot based on the will of the neighbors. There are many families who have bought a totem but do not have a water pump to charge it. They do not have the equipment, so we are mainly providing assistance to homes, replacing water, replacing totems, basically, right? But also, as recently happened here in Pedregoso, there are a few secondary fires that are rekindled by the change in the wind and, well, the brigades are already in the thick of it. The truth is that a lot of spontaneous organization by the people, purely by their will, creates a bit of chaos, but we are managing because the whole is very big. Let's say, the state is doing too little and this is too big. So we will have to take charge of this, people, because the people are saving the situation.